Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here. It's just very simple. It's just very smoky. I just felt like doing one. I didn't feel like doing a lot because I am self-tanning right now. I just had been trying out this new self-tanner. I'll let you guys know if I really like it in a different video, but right now I'm just really trying it out. But whenever I really see the end result and I really like how it looks, I'll recommend it to you guys if I really like it. But if I don't like it, then I won't recommend it to you guys. But so far I've been liking it, so yeah. I didn't really want to do a lot on my eyes because I'm probably just gonna be wiping it off right after this video is done. So I didn't do really much to the bottom lash line, but I did a lot to the top, just to give you guys some kind of makeup look. And yeah. But if you want to learn how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I brought this white background back because I just miss it, and I've been using the other one a whole bunch lately, and I just wanted to use this white one again because I miss it and I have not used it with this new camera. I haven't even told you what this camera is, but I'll have it down below in the description because yeah. But my hair is a mess because right after this video, well, yesterday I braided my hair, and on Wednesday I braided my hair, and today's Thursday when I'm recording this. But I braided my hair and I slept in it and it's just all frizzy and yucky. But later I will have my hair together because at the end of this video I will have my hair will look good because I'm gonna be recording 2 videos today, this video and another one which will be a hairstyle video. I know my channel's not all about that, but I decided to do it because why not. It's gonna be up next video, or it'll already be up. I don't even know which one I'm uploading first. Probably which one's easier, which will probably be the hairstyle one. So if it's already up, go check it out on my channel. You know, it'll be down below in the description if it's already up. But if it's not up, it will soon be up. I'm going to Georgia with my family, and yeah, so that's happening. We're gonna go see some family, and yeah, so, and we're getting back on Sunday, and I just want to already have a video ready to go up on Monday. So yeah. Alright, so the first thing that we're gonna go in with is this palette right here, the Profusion Eyes palette, and it is in Natural, like it says right here. And we're going to go in with the color called Fawn, which is right here. And I'm just going to take that on a big fluffy brush. I'm having some acne issues. I have 2 pimples right now. This one right here. It's not pimples. They're not pimples yet. They just started showing up this morning. This one right here, this big old red spot right here. I don't know if you guys can see on camera. But I also have one on my nose. Don't you hate the ones on your nose? Oh my god. I always get them on my upper lip and up in my nose, up here and just over there. It's so annoying because it hurts so bad. But I'm gonna take this fluffy Emax Design brush and I'm just gonna put that that color in the crease. Now I'm gonna go in with this Cone blending brush. I don't even know if I'm focused. I'm still learning this camera because the focusing part is so bad. You have to manually do it. It's not autofocus. So I'm still trying to learn this camera and trying to see if it has autofocus. So far I cannot find anything that says autofocus. So I don't think this camera does that, but I am planning, well, I haven't told anybody yet, but I was thinking about getting a little remote to just press and not go all the way over here and press the button to focus. So maybe I'm thinking of getting it. If it's cheap, I'm thinking of getting it, but I'll let you guys know whenever I get it. But I'm gonna take this brush right here. It's just another fluffy brush, but it's less fluffy than the other one I just took. And I'm just gonna take this one right here, which is called Bronze, and this one right here, which is called Flax. I'm going to just take those two just a little bit at a time and put that right in my crease. And then what I'm going to be doing is taking this brush right here, this Wilton cake brush, and I'm going to take whatever's left on the brush from taking the color on this side and start blending that color together. And then I will apply those two colors that we just took, bronze and flax. I'm going to take those colors and put it on my lid and then blend it out with like these two brushes. Like, I'm gonna go back and forth with it. I'm sorry that you guys could see all this mess down here, but yeah, so I'm gonna put that color, I'm just gonna blend this out first, and then I'm gonna put that those two colors on the lid, and then let's just start blending like hardcore, and then I'll be back with you guys. So now that we did the other eye, I'm going to take this liner right here, which is the Ciate London liner, Fierce Flicks liner, and I don't know the color, but I assume it's black, jet black, dark black. I don't even know what kind of color this is, but it's a black. But the reason why I haven't got Ipsy, because I said something about it last video, I think. I don't know if I put it in the video or not, but I think I did. Go check out that video if you haven't already. It'll be, you know, at the end of the video, there's a link, and then you press it, and then it'll take you there, and then you can watch it, you know what I mean? Yeah. But, so I talked to my mom about the Ipsy, like, why I haven't gotten any Ipsy bags, at all. I have gotten one in January. I totally forgot recording that. I totally forgot getting that, so yeah. But I haven't gotten the February one, and the reason why is that there's no money on the PayPal card that my mom has, so she can't, you know, Ipsy can't deliver it unless we pay them. So I haven't gotten one in February, but maybe whenever they send it, they'll maybe send the February one. I have no idea. I'm gonna wait and see, and if they do, I'll probably put both of them in the same video, so you'll see February and March Ipsy bag in a whole video if they send me the February bag in March. So yeah. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put this on. It's very a small wing, I would say. I don't know, short to medium, but it's very thin. I'm gonna go put this on, and then I'm gonna put on these lashes right here, which are, well, I already have one lash on this eye, but I'm gonna take this lash right here and put it on the other eye when I'm done putting the liner on. These lashes are what lashes are these? The Vegas, no, not Vegas, nay. Eyelure Lashes, and they're the style in 202. And then I'll just pop those on, and then I'm gonna do my full face, and then I'll be back with you guys with like everything else, which won't be much, but yeah. So let me go do that real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I did like my lower lash line and my lips off camera. I'm gonna let you guys know what I did. For my lips, I used this Kokie, a Kissable liquid lipstick, and it is in Mad About Mauve. And then I used for, I just did like mascara down here. I didn't do a lot, but yeah, I just wasn't feeling it. I am self-tanning kind of right now. I've been trying this lotion self-tanner kind of thing, and my hands are so orange. Like, look at this. This is so bad. And my feet are like the worst. I might not ever put it on my feet again, since I don't really wear sandals like a lot. I wear like tennis shoes and stuff. I might not put it on my feet because it looks so blotchy. But I like it on my body. It's not looking like really bad, but it's going very slowly, building up like the tan very slowly, and I like that. But my feet is just not a pretty look. But anyway, I didn't want to do a lot down here because I'm probably just going to be taking it off right after, because yeah, but for my inner corner highlight, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I think you guys can. Like, look at that bling. I think I'm unfocused, but you know, like, come on. Okay, I think it's better. But I used the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter powder in Blossom Glow. I use that also as my highlighter as well. Yeah. Oh, my brow bone. I don't think I let you guys know what I used on my brow bone, but my brow bone, I put a white shadow. You could use whatever white shadow you want, but I used the Tarte Amazonian Amazonian Clay palette, the Tarte Pro palette. I used the white called Vintage, and I just put it in the brow bone, and yeah, you know, just simple and easy. I fixed my hair. I did the hair video thing, and yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I hope you guys like this look. And if you do, give it a like and all that stuff. And also, if you're new, hit that subscribe button so you could see me more. And also hit the bell kind of thing that's near the subscribe button. And whenever you press that, it'll let you know every single time when I upload a video. And you could be like the first one to like and all that stuff. And you could be the first one to comment, to share. I think that's it. But yeah, everything that I used on my face, and on like my eyes, if you missed something that I used on my eyes, it'll be down below in the description, you know, it'll be down there, and, yeah, so, I don't think there's anything else to tell you, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.